Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kami ang Group 6. Ang topic namin ay Framework and Principle Behind Our Moral Disposition. And I am Richard Jr. C. Gabriel.
And I am Elmer Matonding.
And I am Axel Van Maniago.
And I am Tristan Bong Herod.
I am Razel James M. Lilagan. And I am David Greg Manalo.
And I am French Limar Bisoteo.
Kapag sinabing moral disposition, ito ay tumutukoy sa natural nating kakayahan bilang tao na mag-isip, pumili at magdesisyon kung ano ang tama at mali. Our moral disposition is grounded in three important foundations. 1. Man is rational being. 2. Man is a free being. 3. There are moral principles that guide our actions. Because we are rational and free, we are responsible for our actions.
Next is man as rational and free. First, man is rational being. Ibig sabihin, may kakayanan tayong mag-isip before we act. We analyze situation, consider consequences, and evaluate what is right or wrong. Hindi tayo kumikilos base lang sa instinct tulad ng mga hayop. We use reason. Second, man is free being. May free will tayo. We have the freedom to choose between right and wrong.
In ethics, there are two objects. First is the physical object. Ito yung moral agents, the person who performs that action. Halimbawa, student, teacher, employee, government, official, or even our organization. Second is the non-physical object. Ito naman ang action itself. Example, telling the truth, helping someone, cheating, and stealing. Sa ethics, mas sinusuri ang action kaysa sa personality ng tao.
Ethics is normative. It sets standards of what is right and wrong. It provides guidelines for moral behavior. Number 2, ethics is prescriptive. It tells what is morally right to do. Hindi ito basta suggestion lang. It serves as guide for proper conduct. For example, we ought to respect others, we ought to be honest, and we ought to fulfill our duties. Moral principles are not based on the feelings alone. They must be supported by a reason.
Importance of moral principle. Moral principles are important because they guide us in decision making. Every day, we face moral dilemmas. For example, we should cheat in an exam to pass. Should we lie to avoid punishment? Should we help someone even if it is inconvenient? Our moral disposition help us to choose what is right even when it is difficult. Being moral is not just about knowing what is right. It is about choosing to do what is right.
To better understand the topic, here's a scenario. Imagine, a student will find a wallet in the school hallway. Inside the wallet, there is a 5,000 cash, a school ID of working student, and an ATM card. Now, they have three choices. First, take the money and throw the wallet. Second, take the money and return the wallet. Third, return the wallet and everything inside.
Okay, boss. Okay. Wallet ko, boss. In conclusion, our moral disposition is rooted in our ability to think and our freedom to choose. We are rational and free beings. Because of that, we are responsible for our actions. Ethics provides the framework and principles that guide us toward becoming better individuals. At the end of the day, morality is not just about what we know. It is about the choice we make. Thank you and God bless.